Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're doing something super useful. We're going to break down the 20 most common words you'll hear and use in everyday English conversation. Mastering these isn't just about learning words, it's about unlocking the entire flow of spoken English. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, we have the articles the and a. The is for specific things, like the car I bought yesterday, while a is for general things, like I saw a cat. Simple, right? Next are prepositions that tell us where or when. Think to, of, in, and for. I'm going to the store. It's made of wood. The keys are in the drawer. This gift is for you. They are the glue that holds our sentences together. Then we have the super important verb to be in its various forms. Is, are, and was. He is happy. They are friends. It was a great day. You literally can't speak English without these. And of course, the personal pronouns I, you, he, it, and that. These words replace nouns so we don't have to keep repeating ourselves. I love pizza, and you do too. Now, let's talk about connecting words, also known as conjunctions, and with are essential for linking ideas. I like coffee and tea. I went to the park with my friends. They make our speech sound much more natural and less robotic. Finally, we have a few more essential verbs and words that complete our list. Have, as in, I have an idea. On, for position, like the book is on the table. And as used for comparisons, she is as smart as her brother. And there you have it, the 20 most common words in spoken English. It might seem basic, but trust me, focusing on how these little words connect everything is a game changer for fluency. Practice using them in your own sentences. Make them a natural part of your vocabulary, and you'll see a huge improvement in your speaking skills. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to help you master English. See you in the next one.